Good morning, student. Today we will learn lesson number 3, that is religious synthesis. We will study about religious. In this chapter we will learn about Bhakti movement, Guru Nanak and Sufi Sant. So my dear student, religions plays an important role in shaping the history of any religion. The tradition of devotion, that is bhakti, plays a social life in medieval period. There are various religions in India. Let us learn about it. Children, Bhakti movement. The Bhakti movement of Nainar and Alwar is originated in South India. The Nainar worship was for Lord Shiva and the Alwar worship for Lord Vishnu. People from all society took part in this movement. In Bhakti movement, people are taught love of God, humanity, compassion and mercy towards all living beings. Nasi Ramanuj. Ramanuj strengthened the foundation of Bhakti movement in South India. He taught people that God is for all. The teaching of Ramanuj influenced many people even in North India. Nasi Sant Ramanand. Sant Ramanand spread Bhakti movement in North India. Sant Kabir was his follower. According to Sant Kabir, truth was God. He teach that Ram and Rahim is not different. He worked for Hindu and Muslim unity. In Bengal, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spread the importance of Krishna Bhakti. He visited different parts of India. He taught people to recite the name of God in full devotion. His teaching attracted many peoples. Then Shankaradeva. Shankaradeva teach in Assam. Narsi Mehta teach in Gujarat. He spread the message of equality. He also composed many devotional songs. Nasi Sant Mirabai. Sant Mirabai spread the importance to devotional to Krishna. She was from royal family of Mewar. She comparatively dedicated herself to the devotional to the Krishna. She wrote devotional verses in Rajasthani and Gujarati. Her composition was admired even today by many peoples. Now children, this was about Bhakti movement. In the next lecture, we will study about the Guru Nanak and Sufi Sant. Now according to the whole lesson, I am giving you question answers. Write this in your notebook and send for checking.